various projects, they can't be out in the field all the time, so they may be worried about the progress of their projects, as well as wanting to make sure everything is going according to schedule at the site. But this camera takes away those fears by monitoring the site 24 hours a day.
こちらがですね、カメラの情報を見るサービスでして、この画像を履歴の管理で1時間おきに写真を撮って、こういうふうに見ることができます。
If the Gembaroid camera is set up, you will be able to monitor the specific site 24 hours a day, anytime, anywhere. The camera system also allows construction companies to show that they are indeed working hard on site. It's beneficial for both companies and the people out on the site.